Hello, guys. Well, I have a quick question for you, all the men out there. Have you ever seen an image of an amazing outfit and you try to replicate it? Like, for example, if you are going through Google and you search about some styling, and for the result you'll get all the handsome, more good-looking photos of all the men styling or all the boys styling, and you have also tried them in your lives, but you didn't get any exact results what you were looking for. So it's there's no big deal about it, as because in the entire world there are many types of bodies, and let's face it guys, no one is born with a perfect geek body. Well, this is also true for guys, that it's true that girls go for bodies like perfect body boys, but believe me and hear me out guys, not all girls look for the perfect body. The basic thing what a girl looks for a guy in his personality is their styling, how they are styling, what shoes they are wearing, what color patterns they are wearing. Every girl notices this, so don't worry about that. In this video we'll be covering all of it, how many types of bodies there are, what styling we can do according to the what body type. So don't worry about it at all. Well, welcome back to my channel once again, and this is the most awaited video. Like, I have been getting many DMs for this men's styling video, so here it is, and this is also the second part of a styling series. So let's get into it. Well, before starting the video, there are three basic rules that you all should keep in mind. So the first rule will be, your body type and shape should always take preference over fashion trends. Like, you should have knowledge about what fashion trend is going on nowadays, and will that trend looks good on you or not. You should have this basic knowledge. The second one is, you should know your tailor on the daily basis. Like, you should trust them like your best friends, because a tailored suit or a tailor will help you a lot in styling your personality. And the third is, dress for the body you have now. Like, don't settle your wardrobe for the body which you will be getting after 2 years, or if you are dieting and exercising, don't set your wardrobe or don't go for the styling which is for after 2 years. Do style for yourself as you are now. Like, if you are bulky, go for the styling for bulky stuff. So do not go for improvements for 2 years diet plan that you have been working on. So these was the not least but some of the rules that you should keep in mind. Our first body type will be triangle. Like, most men are predisposed of being larger around the waist and hips in relation to the top part of their bodies, especially as they get older. Like, many of you guys will have the narrower or more fattiness or more muscles in your tummy area or in your thighs area. So those will come in triangle body shape, because around the shoulders or the upper part of your body will be okay for you, but when it comes to your tummy area or waist area, it's a little narrower, so it gives you a triangle shape. That's why it is known as triangular body type. Well, it does not also mean that you are in a bad shape and you cannot find clothes according to it. It's just that you need to create an illusion, because creating illusions are really easy. And the basic concept that you should keep in mind if you are a triangular body shape or triangular body guy is that you need to balance and shape whatever you are wearing, the clothes. So for the styling of triangular body, like, the clothes which will good look on you will be tailored pattern blazers, like where you can wear fitted waistcoats with solid trousers, or you can mix the print of solid colors and gives the illusion of shape, like totally take the focus away from your waist area or tummy area. The second one will be go for a vertical stripes. If you are wearing a t-shirt, do not go for horizontal stripe, because already you are bulkier in your waist region. So if you will wear a horizontal stripes shirt or t-shirt, it will make you look more fat. Always go for a vertical stripe. You can take vertical stripe patterns, it can be flowers, dots, etc. So just keep in mind for vertical stripes. Then if you are going for jackets, the must use jackets will be slouchy shoulders, like bomber jackets are there, and structured shoulders like top coat. Basically square your frame. It should be like, if you are wearing a coat, it should look equal to your waist, so that it does not give you, it does not focuses on your tummy area. Fourth one will be wear bright color clothes. Like if you are going for patterns, go for details which will be present in your chest and shoulder area. You can wear jumpers and crew neck tees, and you can also go for colors like gray, navy or black. Basically these colors should be present in your midsection, so it gives you, a slimmer effect. This is the most important part, like what type of clothes you should avoid. You should not go for polo shirts, like perfectly fitted polo shirts and roll necks. You should not go for that. Do not go for busy prints, like there should no, like your dress or your shirt or t-shirt, whatever you are wearing, it should not have a huge number or n number of patterns or prints in it. Just the minimum, the minimum patterns they are present in the shirt, the awesome you look. You should not go for bold belts, like do not take a thicker belt. Go for not thicker, not slim, means just select a basic average type belt. And you should also not go for skinny fits, like skin tight t-shirts. For you'll be like thinking ki I'll look muscular if I wear skinny t-shirts, but do not go. If you have in mind that I'll look good if I wear these type of clothes, then you will be not remembering about your waist, about your tummy area. Because if you will be going for skinny t-shirts, skinny tees, it will be perfect on your around your shoulders and neck, but what about your tummy area, right? Waist area. So avoid skinny tees. Our second body type will be inverted triangle. Well, this, I'm sure you guys got to know the idea what I am trying to say of inverted triangle. This will be a muscular body, like the gym guys or gymholic guys, they will have these type of bodies, because the shoulders, the muscles will be present in the shoulder area, so it will give them inverted triangle shape. The waist will be thinner and the shoulders will be broader. So this body type is known as inverted triangle. It will have a narrow waistline but a broader shoulders. The clothes you should be going for is, as you have the perfect body, perfect toned fitted body, you can go for show offing, like horizontal stripes, slim fit shirts, slim cotton polo t-shirts, or you can go for regular v-neck t-shirts, straight leg trousers, skinny jeans. Everything will look good on you because it's the perfect body. And go for slim fit jackets, culottes, like basically you can go for anything, you will look good in anything. But the basic things you need to avoid in inverted body triangle will be structured tailoring, like you should not wear jackets or blazers which have padding like shoulder pads present on them, or you should not go for peak labels. Just Go for a basic tailored jacket or basic suit which does not have pads present on the shoulders. Well, in oval body shape, the center of the torso is wider than the shoulder and hips. So, like your shoulder, the measurements of your shoulder and your hips will be okay, but the part present in the middle, like tummy area, chest area, it will be, it will have muscles present there. So, it gives you a healthy look. As you can say, a healthy man, it will give you a healthy look. This is called as oval shape. It is also known as egg shape body type. The clothes which you should be wearing are, you can keep it simple, you can go for solid colors, go for tailored trousers, or you can go for pleat pants. Like if you are going for pants, take a wide leg pant. You can take a pant which have pleats present, so it does not give you the bulkiness which you do not need. You can go for tailored shirts as well, like a wide collar spread, a wide collar shirt. Especially means, the if you are going for collars, you should focus that the collar is present near the neck and face, so that it gives you a slimmer neck type. If you are going for neckties, bow ties will be good for you. And so these were the clothes which you should be wearing, and the things which you should be avoiding in clothes are tight fits, like going for skinny jeans or tight pants. You should not go for that, as it will make your body look and thighs look more bulky. Do not go for patterns, like you should not wear patterns or prints which will attract the focus on the area present in the middle part, like in the tummy region, chest region. So don't go for prints and patterns. Rectangle. Well, men with a rectangular body shape usually have a tall and thin frame. Their shoulders are roughly the same width as their waist and hip. Like all the measurements of the shoulders, hips, waist, it will be equal. It will be like a cylindrical shape. The clothings for men, like with this body shape, will be horizontal stripe, because you need to create the illusion of a slimmer waist and a broader shoulders. So go for horizontal stripes. Structured tailoring, like blazers with pads present on the shoulders. Go for layered looks, like you need to wear a bottom down shirt, then wear a crew neck jumper, and you can pair it with any baggy jeans. You will have your layered look, like give layers to your styling. You can go for scarves as well, go for prints, color pops and detailings. Go for it, like try to create, try to play with colors and patterns. You should be avoiding a double breasted jacket, like a single breasted style with a plenty of structure in the shoulder instead. Like there should not be much of a drama or style present in the shoulder area. It should be equal. Our last and fifth body type will be trapezoid. Trapezoid is basically an average build, and most of the designers take this body measurement as the foundation of their designs. In this, the waist is the narrowest point on an average man, and the rib cage widens steadily up to the collarbone and shoulders. Like it has a perfect measurement of shoulders, a perfect measurement of waist, and a perfect measurement of neck region. The clothes which you should be wearing are trousers. Do not go for baggy clothes. Always go for a tailored trousers, and you can play around the colors, patterns. It will work fine with the body. You can go for cups and pleats on the shirts. It's totally up to you. And if you are wearing shirts, if you are having shirts, go for vertical stripes. That will make you appear, or that will make you look a little taller. And you can also add horizontal lines, like horizontal stripes shirt, as it will also make you look a little bulky, and you can add drama to your body. If you are going for jackets, take a blazer or a suit jacket. And you can also go for single button waist jackets, that will also look good on you. So neckties is, you can stick to the normal length, like the belt should be normal, it will be work. A normal belt will work, a normal necktie will work, because you are not too fat, not too healthy, not too slim, you are just fitted. You can say you have a fit body. The things you should avoid means, it's a perfect body, so you should be wearing, and you can be wearing many things. Just try to play around with colors. As I said, play around with colors, pattern, take risks, because as there is a saying that if you take risk, you can make a trend settle. So in this till now we have seen different types of bodies, and what is this, what style you should do according to what body type. Basically there are 5 types of bodies, as I mentioned. And it's like there are many types of bodies, but these 5 bodies which I have discussed are in the fashion industry, and are basically categorized so that it's easy for designers, and it's easy for you guys to help yourself out. If you want to know about the wardrobe management, or what are the clothes basic things you should have in your wardrobes, do message me or comment down if you want it. And you can also DM me on my Instagram page to make a wardrobe, capsule wardrobe or wardrobe setting video. I'll be happy and I'll be glad to make it. Do subscribe to my channel, share the video with your brothers or friends or best friends within your friend circle, and tell them to share as well, so all the guys get to know about this. And also hit the bell icon, so that whenever I upload a video, you get a notification of it. And like the video if you enjoyed, and if you got information, and whatever thing you find it helpful in this video, or what, if you have any doubts, you can comment down in the section below, or you can also DM me on my Instagram. Link will be present in the description box. So till the next video, stay home, stay safe, keep practicing and keep styling.